Today, we are creating this video animation title slide design in PowerPoint. Under the sea view from a submarine window, and the theme of the slide is Finding Nemo. For the background, I am using this premium image from FreePic. Insert the image on the slide and crop it to a better placement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For the submarine window, I am using this premium graphic. You can find such free PNG graphics easily from Google. Adjust the position of the window. Insert the video of Nemo fishes. Then go to Video Shape. Select the circle shape, then go to Format Video. Uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio and insert equal values for width and height. Place the video on the shape, resize and adjust the placement. Give an inner shadow to the video and adjust the brightness and contrast. Now, this looks better. Adjust the brightness and contrast for the window shape as per slide. Add some text on the slide. Select proper font style and size. Add a line as a graphical element. Now let's insert our Nemo fish and adjust its placement on the slide. Change the font color for better visuals. Now, let's add the shark on the slide and place it behind the submarine window and decrease the brightness to suit the smile of the shark. Now, let's apply some animations. A wheel animation for the submarine window. Fly in animation for this text. Character fade animation for this text. Percentage delay between letters, 50%. Fly in animation for Nemo from right side. Wipe animation for the line element. Grow and turn animation for the shark. And finally, wipe animation for this text. Now, let's play it in full screen. Here is the final result. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments.